In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Instagram story comment option not showing. If you've encountered this issue, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple process that will have you back to navigating Instagram stories with ease in no time. To get started, open Instagram in your web browser. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, but I recommend Chrome for its compatibility and user-friendly interface. Once you have Instagram open and logged into your account, the next step is to access the developer tools. Right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will pop up, and from there select Inspect or Inspect Element. This will bring up the developer tools panel. You'll notice a lot of technical details here, but don't be intimidated. We are just going to activate a mobile view. Look for a small icon on the top of the panel. It resembles a laptop and a smartphone. Click on it to activate the mobile view. What this does is simulate how Instagram would appear on a mobile device, which is crucial because it offers slightly different options than when you're on a desktop. Next, you'll want to choose a specific device from the drop-down menu that appears. This simulates different mobile devices to test their view. You can pick any of the latest models available. Once you've selected your preferred device, refresh your page. You can do this by simply pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the refresh button on your browser. This ensures the mobile view is fully loaded and running smoothly, sticking to a simulated mobile interface. Now, head to your profile by clicking on your picture or username. This takes you to your personal corner of Instagram where we can make the necessary adjustments. What we need to do now is adjust the comment settings. Navigate to the settings in your profile, then find the section dedicated to privacy and interactions. Look for any settings pertaining to comments. Here, you can tweak who is allowed to comment on your stories. Ensure it's set to allow everyone or to your preferred audience setting. This is the key to making sure the option is available when viewing or posting your stories. These steps should effectively restore the comment option on your Instagram stories, allowing you and your friends to interact seamlessly. Remember, toggling the mobile view settings as we did helps emulate how Instagram's app processes, offering alternative pathways to fix desktop version limitations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you encounter further issues, consider checking Instagram support resources or community forums where fellow users and experts can provide additional tips. Until next time, happy Instagramming.